Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for March 10th to 22nd. First of all, wait a minute. I want to start on something. We're currently here in the Northeast experiencing a nor'easter, but we have another chance of some. Let me see if I can get them out. We have another chance of another storm, possibly for late in the weekend. I'm going to show you that. Late in the weekend to Monday. So here is which model am I looking at? This is the European deterministics. This is Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to go for, this is the current storm. All right, so then we go to Friday, Saturday, all right, Sunday. Here's the system down here. I don't know if you can see this here. And then you go forward into Sunday, Monday. Here it is. Now there's big differences in the models where the European that we're looking at is more suppressed with the storm. So I'm going to show you this. Sunday, there it is. Monday, but we still get some sun, but look how far out it is. Wait a minute, I'm looking at the wrong map. Hold on. Okay, we're looking at the European. This is European more suppressed. I thought it didn't look right. This is the European. This is going to Monday out to sea. Now at the same time, the GFS is more deeper with the storm and giving us more snow. There'll be rain and storms across the southeast, but to the northern extent, there'll be some snow. And the precipitation, but the location amounts are very uncertain given the spread in the models. But one thing to say that the ensemble means and the ensemble lows clusters will also pour a solution closer to the GFS right now. So there'll be moderate to heavy rain across the middle Mississippi Valley, Tennessee valleys this weekend, and then it'll spread into the northeast and southeast and the mid-Atlantic as the low tracks from the southern plains to the mid-Atlantic. And in the west, moderate to heavy precipitation is forecast along terrain of Southern California and starting next week as energy lives through the west. Okay, getting back to the pattern we're going to talk about is March 10th to the 14th. So here we are at the 10th. I have a lot of things going on here, watching the storm and so forth. But this is what we're forecasting. We have a trough here over the eastern Pacific. We have a ridge here to the west of the Aleutians and a trough in the east and strong positive height anomalies across eastern Canada near Greenland. And as we go to the end of the period, this is what we have. The pattern doesn't change very much. It remains very amplified. Ridge trough configuration. So that's what we're forecasting for this period. This would be from March 10th to the 14th. March 13th to the 17th. Here we're at 13. The flow doesn't change very much. And we go to the 17th. This will be for next Saturday. We still have our ridge trough configuration, positive height anomalies here. And the models are good agreement on this. And this is evidence of a negative NAO, this pattern that we're having. Also leading to another strong nor'easter here that we're currently experiencing, and then another one late in the weekend. It's still out. It's still days away, and we have time to iron it out. So for this forecast period, let me see if I can get this going. Forecasting above normal temperatures here for the west. Forecast anomalies 6 degrees or more, and below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and the anomalies are forecast to be near 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, this would be good news for parts of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. We're forecasting below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. And we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. It says 49 in the printout, but it's 45. So now for a look at the period from March 18th to the 22nd. Here we are at the 18th. The flow seems to relax some across the nation, but we still have a trough along the west coast and the east coast. I'll show you that as we go forward. And the positive height anomalies here weakened, and they still weaken some here compared to what they were in the previous period, but still a trough in the west, trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm still forecasting above normal temperatures here, but with more of a zone of flow. The expecting anomalies to be small, so they'll be near 4 degrees above normal in the west, near to below normal temperatures are forecast for the east, and forecast anomalies to be near 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence, and also here, but the anomalies are lower here, closer to 35%, and the chance of above normal precipitation here is 45 to 55%. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for March 10th to the 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.